Hi everyone, I hope you're well and having a good Monday. So for today's activity, we are going to be doing the video portion of our Congo scripts. You already wrote the script, so hopefully today's activity will take you less time. You also have a few options. So in order to perform your script, you can do so with another individual, in which case you're going to play your witness and you're going to have your partner play the lawyer asking you the questions. You can do this on your own. You can ask a family member to help you, in which case I also ask that you are the witness and that your family member is giving the lawyer questions. You have multiple ways that you can record this. You can record this on the camera on your PLD. You can do this through a Zoom conference, which I recommend if you are working with another individual, a classmate, because it'll just be easier that way. You can also do it on what I use for this, which is Screencast-O-Matic, which, again, perhaps not the easiest ones for you to use, but it is an option. I think you can also do it on your phones if you're doing like an iPhone thing, but just make sure that you're able to then upload it from your OneDrive to your OneDrive. I do have a way for you to submit these. As far as working in groups, if you do one large video where both people are both the lawyer and the witness, and you've read through both of your scripts in one go, then you can have one person submit it. If you do two separate videos for each script, that's fine too, in which case just submit each of those videos under each person. Whoever the witness is in each case, that'll be considered theirs, or whatever script you wrote. Okay. Otherwise, if you're doing it on your own, obviously you're going to submit it on your own. Now, there are no assignments for this. The way Teams works, it does not allow videos. I don't expect these to be very long. Just the nature of them, your scripts aren't terribly long. So there shouldn't be a problem with how I'm going to show you how to upload it, although I expect there to be some, technical difficulties, and I will work with you. This will be due Wednesday. This is almost the last activity. Wednesday will be the last Congo-based activity that we do. So I'll show you that in a second. And one of the things I want to remind you, look, today's activity, all the hard work of it is already done. You've done your scripts. I don't anticipate this taking too long. If you're working with another person, it might take some time to coordinate what time you're going to do it, but you shouldn't have too much difficulty, and this shouldn't take you too incredibly long to do. But I want you to have fun with it. That's why I'm asking you to do this. I can read your scripts. I have read your scripts in some cases as people have kind of handed things in early. But this is supposed to be fun, that you have some sort of interaction. So that's why we're doing this, and hopefully make you understand a little bit better some of the issues in the Congo. So let me show you how you're going to turn this in. All right. So you will notice, I'm just going to use period 4 here, but honestly, all of this appears all the same in every period, no matter which one you are. You will notice that your Congo mock trials, there's a new channel, okay? It'll bring you to a new post like this, welcome to the class, right? There's two ways you can do this. The first way, which I actually prefer, but it does not matter, you're going to basically upload your video. You'll notice that it gives you options. If you use your phone and you've uploaded your video to OneDrive, you can click OneDrive. To do the practice video, I just use camera on the PLD, which I think in most cases, at least when we did the newscast, that's what many of you did. You're going to click upload from my computer if that's the case. If it's from OneDrive, do OneDrive. Now, mind you, I have a crazy amount. Let's see if I can move this down into the view a little bit better. I have a crazy amount of things in mine. In this case, I click this PC. In this case, it's in my pictures, my camera roll. You see the video, okay? Now, all this is a video of me chatting about your Congo scripts. You don't have to watch it. If you do, it won't harm you, but it's literally just an example file. So you click on that, you can hit open, and as you can see, it'll take some time to upload. But once it checks off that you have a completely green light, like the little bar here will be all the way here. Let's see if I can move this and show you a little bit more. see that little airplane. Once it's good, you should be able to click it and it will post your entire video. And like I said, it does take some time. Now, if this doesn't work for some reason, I think if your video is under 5 minutes, it should work. But if it's past that point, it might not be able to. Please reach out to me. I don't expect, in fact, in most cases, I think it'll be under 2 minutes. But I'm trying to organize how I get this, and I think that this is the easiest way to tell you to upload a video. And that way it's organized too, so that I'm not sorting through my emails when I get millions of emails from everybody. If this doesn't work, I will work with you and we'll get some way to get it to me, even if it does have to be emails. But I think this will be the most organized way to do it. The other way would be, let me just move up here, is to click on files, because whatever you post on conversations, any files you post automatically go to files. It just won't have your name next to it, although when I watch the video, I will certainly be able to tell whose video it is. So those are your options. If you click on, I just want to wait because I don't want to mess this up. But if you click on files and then hit upload, oops, there we go, I think it's good. So if you just click, oops, let me drag it. It's too small of a screen that shows. Okay, so see the green bar is completely gone, showing that it completely uploaded. And you hit the little airplane, it shows you exactly that you've posted it, and then I can watch them. Okay, and then if I go into files, which I just clicked above, I'm sorry, that's not large enough, it shows that it automatically goes in there. You can also hit upload from here and then do the same thing. But like I said, I think the posts are kind of nice because then I can easily see whose it is. Okay. Again, if you have problems with this, reach out to me. I will help you. We'll get it done. And we'll figure out some way. In all this time, I just did videos with my civics class. They were able to figure it out. This works. And again, I'm trying to have something that is a little bit more interactive that you can have fun with, because I think you guys as well realize that that's the part that's missing from this. I don't get to see and interact with you, and it'll be really nice to see your faces, even if you don't come to these Zoom meetings, which is perfectly fine. They're not mandatory, but it'll be good to see your faces again. All right. If you have questions, make sure you reach out. Thanks.